Hey, how you doing? Welcome to another edition of Projects with Chaz. This episode we're going to discuss how to pack for a family of 4 to go skiing out west. Got a lot of gear, got snowboards, skis, boots, gloves, all that. And we got to get it packed up. It's got to be 50 pounds or less. Get it through security, check it on the airplane, walk through the airport. It's a big to-do. I'm going to show you how to do it successfully. Here's some of the stuff we're going to use. We're going to use a boot bag. I got a ski bag on wheels. Got a snowboard bag. Got lots of gear. So stay tuned. I'll show you how this all goes together. Oh, hey there. I'm going to start off with the snowboards. Now, a lot of you are thinking, are you going to leave the bindings on? And no, I'm not. I'm going to take these bindings off. It's my snowboard and my daughter's snowboard. And I'm going to take all the parts, not the bindings, that's going to go in our luggage. But the plate and all the screws, I'm going to stick them in a bag. And that'll go in my luggage as well. So once these boards are missing the bindings, they can stack on top of each other. You can easily slide it into this bag, and then you can line the bag with your gear, like your snow pants and your ski coats, and that'll help cushion it. The reason I don't leave the bindings on is because I'm worried workers at the airport are going to freaking throw this up in with all the luggage and throw a big suitcase and smash my bindings. And that's the last thing I want to do is show up at my destination and have to go buy new bindings because the buckle's snapped in half. So I'm going to take these off and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, I got the bindings off. I got all the hardware. My daughter's, mine. Got them in a big Ziploc so this can lay flat in the luggage. And you're going to want to remember to bring a Phillips head screwdriver for your bindings. Don't put it on your carry-on because TSA will take it thinking you're going to stab somebody. Put it in your luggage that you check in. But as far as the snowboards, I put the bottoms together because I want that preserved. Slide both boards in. And then you can take your gear like pants, coats, whatever. Just start stuffing it all the way down to the bottom on both sides, and that'll totally cushion your snowboards. And this counts as one of your checked luggage. I have a family of 4. We're bringing 2 ski bags, a snowboard bag, and 2 luggage. So we're only going to have to pay for 1 bag. And what you want to make sure you do is put your fat butt on a scale.
Put your fat butt on a scale.
Figure out what you weigh, and then have somebody hand you the snowboard bag, or step off, let it zero out, step back on with your bag, and then weigh it, because most airlines require your bag to be 50 pounds or less. So I try to keep mine around 46, 47, because somebody always wants to buy some crap when we're on vacation, and then you got to account for at least 4 or 5 pounds of junk that you got to bring home. So I'm going to stuff this bag, and then I'm going to work on the ski bags, and I'll show you what those look like when I'm done. Alright, I got the snowboard bag all packed up, coats, pants, all sorts of gibberish, filled her up. I stepped on the scale. I weighed roughly 200 pounds. So once I stepped off, zeroed out, stepped back on the scale, I come to about 231. So I know this bag weighs like 31 pounds of junk. So that gives me like roughly 18 pounds, 19, 20 pounds to play with on the way back. Or if I pack my other luggage and it's over 50, I've got room to cram some crap in here. So, right on. Okay, I'm onto the ski bags. And the ski bags have a feature in the end where you can unzip it and extend it, because I have some pretty long skis. So so it accommodates my skis and my wife's skis, which are a little longer than the kids' skis. So their bag, we don't unzip that extender. If you're curious, the name of both the ski bags we use and the boot bags, it's by Transport or Transpack. Transpack. And I am not a spokesperson for them, they're not paying me, but if you're listening, call me. Anyway, I'm putting the skis in here, so 2 sets of skis, a couple sets of poles. I'll load this up with coats and fleeces and vests and gibberish, and then weigh it, make sure it's not over 50 pounds. I wanted to show you guys this boot bag. This is carry-on, so you can maximize how much crap you bring with you on your trip. So this side pocket, put your boots in here, stick some socks in the boots, and then this top part, all the kids have their long underwear down in here, and then a helmet with their goggles and their little neck thingies and their face thingies. That fits right in there. And then if they want to put a book in here or whatever, this is their carry-on. So I got foot warmers and toe warmers and hand warmers over here in this little side zipper pocket. And you wear it just like a backpack. You can adjust it so it's cushioned on the back. It's a little heavy, but it's a lot easier than taking like 10 pieces of luggage and paying about $500. So I'm going to show you guys how I maneuver this stuff through the airport. That's coming up in another day, and hopefully you learn a trick or two on how to get your gear out west or out east to take a ski trip with the family without freaking out. All right. Take your skis and make sure that you lock the brakes up with a rubber band. See that? You just get a thick rubber band. It could be like your old Lance Armstrong Livestrong band that nobody wears anymore. Wrap those around your binding. Pull the brakes up so they don't poke a hole through your bag. So you've got 2 flat skis, and then you've got 2 skis on the outer side with the bottom facing out. Stagger the bindings. So I have 2 sets of skis in here. And I've got snowboard boots. I'm going to stick those in the end here. I'm going to stick another one in the other end. And I'm going to stick the ski poles in them. So I'll have another snowboard boot down here. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 2 ski bags. So it'll be 4 sets of skis, 2 sets of snowboard boots, 4 sets of ski poles in these bags. All right, kids, I got 2 ski bags, a snowboard bag, 2 roll-on luggages, and everybody has a ski boot bag as our carry-on. So the only thing we're paying for when we check in is this snowboard bag. It's $50 each way, so $100 total. $100 is cheaper than renting 2 snowboards for a week or for 4 days. So I think it's a win. Some ski destination airports have a separate carousel for ski and snowboard bags. Hey, how you doing? So we're in Park City, and like I said, when you get your snowboard out of the luggage, you've got the binding parts. This binding part was in my luggage. I packed a screwdriver on the checked-in luggage. Don't take this on carry-on because they're going to think you're going to stab somebody with it. Not appropriate. Might end up in jail. So once you get everything out of your luggage, put it back together. All I'm going to do is drop this in, use my Phillips head, put it together, and ready to roll and hit the slopes. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Park City. Chaz is out here making it happen. So thanks for watching the video. Got the snowboards, all the bindings hooked up. Family's had a successful outing. I'll show you how I packed it all up and get it back on the airplane to get home. So I can barely talk because my lips are frozen solid. We're in a blizzard, but stay tuned. Loading up the car, time to leave Park City. And having the car running while you load it up, a little carbon monoxide poisoning, better than a cup of coffee. This is what the rental looks like all packed up. So when we get to the airport, everybody throws on their carry-on. I actually strap the snowboard bag to the top of one of the ski bags because the ski bag is on wheels. I pull that. Someone else pulls this, and the kids pull the luggage. So everything's on wheels, easy peasy. Yeah, when you're on your way back to the airport, you need to make sure that you stop by and get yourself an In-N-Out burger if you're on the Rockies, the west side of the country. Hey, how you doing? Thanks for watching the video. We successfully made it back from Park City. I got all the skis and the snowboards put away, and hopefully you learned a trick or two on how to pack for a ski trip on an airplane. Traveling with kids and family and luggage can be a pain in the butt, but hopefully I gave you some tips on how to master it. So I'm going to celebrate that our planes didn't crash in a fire explosion, and I lived by cracking this beer. If this helped you out, please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time. Look at the mountains, they're beautiful.